I don't even remember buying any of this, but it was like the after Christmas sales and stuff I guess looked really good. I vaguely remember purchasing. I just got home. These are in the mail. The sales right now, you guys, are so good. Sometimes when I'm doing my try on, I like to wash the clothes first. That way you get like a better idea of how things are going to fit once they're washed. I'm just going to try them on really fast before I do my load of laundry. If you want to see me try on my new stuff from Pretty Little Thing, then stay tuned. This, by the way, what I'm wearing right now, those boots were from Amazon. This bodysuit is from Fashion Nova, and then this skirt is from Shein. So I switched to a nude bra that's not a push-up at all. I will say the sizes of all the items. Pretty sure my measurements are 40, 30, 39. My first thing I'm trying on is this hoodie. It's a really light material leopard print hoodie. This is a size 10 and I think it's a little looser. This is a little looser than what I imagined, so it's like a lot more like relaxed. I pictured it to fit like this, but I guess that wouldn't be a size 10. I have a black jacket that I wear like almost every day, and then I usually wear black leggings, so I just wanted something like. Next up I have this long sleeve shirt. It is a thin material, like in a light pink. This is a size US 10 also. I thought it was going to be nuder than this. Nuder. I thought it'd be more nude than this. It's okay. It's just a basic long sleeve shirt. I really like basics. I have this long sleeve bodysuit, black scoop neck, and it is a thong bodysuit and it goes like pretty high up, like almost like French cut. It's like on my waist. And then I have these adorable joggers. They say Pretty Little Thing down the side. These are in a petite size 12. I just think that they're so cute. I love the color and the logo. It has like a really high crotch, so I rolled the waist, but you can wear it like, you can wear it however high you like. I don't really like pants that high. I just went like that, and then like this a little bit is showing, which is actually kind of cute. Like, it's a look. I actually like these together a lot. I love this outfit. This looks like easy season. So up next we have this oversized hoodie with some biker shorts. A monochromatic nude, which is super trendy, super fun. Isn't it fun when sleeves go like this? I feel like if my sleeves are like too short, I like pull them so they do this. But these do this. This is an oversized hoodie, like I believe that's what it was called. This is a size medium and it is this big, so I'm pretty sure that it was oversized. And it's really thin material too, so like I said, it doesn't add like so much bulk to you, but you still get that like really cute like Ariana Grande vibe because the hoodie is long and cute. And then I have cycle shorts underneath. These are in size 8 and they are like, they have like that vertical stripe material, like it's not colored, it's all one color. I like this outfit a lot. Super cozy but like cute at the same time. You could wear this with like sock boots or whatever. You can wear this with sneakers. It's really versatile. It's a new vibe for me. I look like I'm trying to look like Kim. This must have been on super sale because I don't know that I would have the gems to buy something stark white like this. I mean, I have like white shirts, but a white sweater, like I don't know that I would have purchased this like regular price. But this is an oversized sweatshirt in size large. And again, it is so thin. I love it. I've purchased sweatshirts and it's such a bummer like when they're too thick to like function in because it's just too hot to wear and like live in. So these are like thin. It's lined with like soft like fuzzy material, so it will keep you warm, but it is so thin. I don't feel like I look like a giant or like a hen, you know. I feel like it's really cute. And then I also bought a 2-pack of bike shorts. I wouldn't pair these together, but I purchased the same amount of shirts as I did bottoms, so I'm just showing you like what I bought. But this isn't how I would pair this. I would probably honestly wear this with like white shorts or something like that. Shorty shorts, you know. These bike shorts are, I believe, size 12 and they're really long. It was like a pair of gray ones and then black ones. So I'll show you the black ones with another top. Again, I'm not showing you outfits that I would actually wear. I'm just pairing like however many tops I purchased with however many bottoms. This is a gray scoop neck long sleeve bodysuit. It looks a little loose. I mean, it's like falling. I think I could make it look chic though, like with like a skirt or something like that, you know? I'm not super mad at it, but it does like a little bit bunch, which is like the whole point. You get a bodysuit so that it doesn't bunch. There's just a lot of fabric going on, but I can make it work. It was on sale. And then these are just the same bike shorts in that pack with the gray. These obviously are the black ones. Also, I purchased a belt because I don't have a belt. It is black with gold buckle, and there is PLT, which is so cute. I just love the word pretty. It's like one of my favorite adjectives. Like, oh, so pretty. Could have sworn I got bigger than this. This is a small medium, so this is going to be for like a waist cincher, not like for your pants, you know? This will be like if you wear like a dress and you want to like cinch the waist. I look like a pirate right now. Okay. This has got to go. And then just to finish up, we just got back from the mall. This is not from Pretty Little Thing. This is from Zara, but they're having a huge sale right now. And I just wanted to show you this jacket. This was $60. So this jacket I bought in the store. It is so beautiful. This is a size medium, and the detailing is gorgeous. Like the inside is lined with black fur. So luxurious. It's like a heavy jacket. Like, this is like a real coat. Like this will keep you warm and make you look stylish. Look at this thing. Love this. This is so cute. I've been wearing my puffer jacket, the black one with the tan fur, like almost every day. I'm getting a little bored. So this is perfect, you guys. I love this so much. So that is it, you guys. That is my Pretty Little Thing haul. I love everything that I got. I know that I didn't spend a lot because everything was 50% off. It was like the Boxing Day sale, I think. So I am very happy with everything, and I will definitely shop on that website again, and I'll take you with me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.